Today on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King, we're going to talk about the Tempur-Pedic and Sealy adjustable base lineup. They simplified their lineup for 2018, and they did a good, better, best strategy. Instead of having 5 adjustable bases, they now have 3 that can cross over in both lines. So we're going to run through that with you. So we start here with the Ease, the Sealy Ease 2.0. They updated the remote. They give you a little bit of a 0G, a memory preset, as versus the Ease 1.0. If you have that base, you don't have that preset. But essentially what this guy does, it goes head up, foot up, no vibration. It has the memory preset to put you at 0G, which gives you your feet at the optimum height so you can have great blood flow. It gives you that 0G feeling, no flat or anything like that. Great promotional bed. We sell this like crazy. So on our better, we step up to the Tempur-Pedic Ergo. This is replacing, if anybody is familiar with the Ergo Plus, that's what this guy is replacing. A little bit different here. We have head up, foot up. We have vibration. Whoa, what does that feel like? And then we have the anti-snore, so if your partner is snoring and you don't want to wake them up, you can steal their remote, hit the snore, and it'll actually, well in this case it's lowering, but if you're laying flat, it'll put your head up so you stop snoring. And then we have this cool feature, the light feature, if you can see barely there. You got a little bit of a light, so if you need to go to the restroom in the middle of the night, you don't stub your toe. We also have the TV PC mode. We have 0G like we do on the Ease 2.0, and then a favorite setting. If you, Pete, this looks like this is a good setting. Favorite setting, that. Cool. So we'll actually just hold that star, and it'll put Peter on his favorite setting. And then of course we have the flat. See you, Pete. Last base, the best. We're going to talk about the Ergo Extend. Very similar remote here, all similar features. What you're gaining though is what's called a pillow tilt. So you'll see it starts here, the pillow will first go up, and then you'll see the entire base come up, and it has what's called a perfect seat. It doesn't do the taco effect, what we call on this Ergo, the Ergo base. We have what's called a perfect seat, so you see it separating so it's not bunching the bed up. And it's also got the feature that keeps you as close to your nightstand as possible. You're not drifting away. If you have your drinks, books, phone, you still can reach it. We have all the same features here. The vibration, however, is 4 different places versus 2 different vibration pads on this guy. But we're gonna first show you underneath so you can get a good look. So help me lift this up, Peter. Ready? Alrighty, so we're going to show you here just really quick. You can see this little guy right here. This is your vibration pad. If I turn on the vibration, you can see it kind of moving around right there on both of these guys. Now let's run over here to the Ergo Extend. You'll see we have 4. So that's your main upgrade that you're getting on the Ergo Extend, plus the perfect seat, the pillow tilt. Get all these extra features on the Ergo Extend. So that's the lineup for Tempur-Pedic and Sealy's new adjustable base lineup. Thanks you guys for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.